How to fix voice message problem in WhatsApp application. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel and today we are back again with a new video. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, first you need to make sure WhatsApp application is up to date. So simply head toward Google Play Store. Once you do, click on the search icon at the bottom right corner and search for WhatsApp application. If you see the option of update, simply click on it and do update the application. After that, the next method is to go to settings of WhatsApp. So tap and hold on the app icon and go to app info. Then after go to permission. Make sure the microphone permission is allowed while using the application. After that, in the permission again, allow the permission for phone. Now in the settings again, go to storage uses. Clear the cache for WhatsApp, as sometimes collected cache can also affect the performance. So that's it. Just like that, you will be able to fix your issue with voice messages on WhatsApp. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.